Happy Galentine's Day. I'm Laura, I'm part of the Sephora squad. I am so excited to be able to get ready with you here. Now that you know we're all celebrating like this, let's get started. For my first skincare step, I'm gonna go ahead with the Tatcha Water Cream Oil-Free Pore Minimizing Moisturizer. So I like to sort of warm it up in my hands and then press it in to my skin and just massage it in. The water cream is so lightweight, it gets to your face and it just feels like it's melting. Now that I've applied my skincare, I am ready to apply the Ilia foundation. It's the Ilia Super Serum Skin Tint SPF 40 foundation. This is shade 05 in Baume Baume. I'm gonna take the little dropper and drop a few drops directly to my skin. Now I'm going to take a number 56 brush. And by the way, this foundation has everything you need in a foundation for hydrated, protected skin. It has hyaluronic acid. It has squalane, which is super hydrating, and it has an SPF. So who doesn't want that? I'm just gonna press it in, almost like it's a serum. Have you ever seen anybody do a skincare routine and how they're pressing it in like it's a serum? Well, I want that squalane and the hyaluronic acid to really melt into my skin. Now for my next step, I'm going to go ahead and use the Pat McGrath Labs Ritualistic Rose Quad. It's gorgeous. These are beautiful satin finishes. The first color that I'm going to go into is Rose Quartz. And what I'm going to do is apply to the outer quarter of my eye. Look at the pigment. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna do the other side. I like to do like one side and then do the other so I can make sure that we're all kind of symmetric. All right, so now that I've got actually like half of my eye done, I'm going into the next color that I'm gonna use, and it's called Astral Rose Orchid. And I'm gonna do all the way just about until I get to the tear duct area. And it's just kind of like softly blending into that other rose color. You've got 3/4 of your eye covered. Before we go any further, I'm gonna take the number 27 Sephora Pro Crease Brush, and I'm going to diffuse the edges and blend them together a little bit, just to bring it up into towards the brow bone. And now it's not quite as messy as it looked before. Let's just do that other side real quick. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the number 15 brush from the Sephora Pro collection. And I'm going to pick up a bit of the gold right here on one side of the brush, actually the little corner right here. I'm gonna leave the rest of that brush open and available for other colors later. And I'm just gonna go look into the mirror, do this inner tear duct area, and blend it up and into the last color. So this is actually called Antique Gold. Look how beautifully that brush picked up the gold. I'm just going again from the inner tear duct into the other gold color. One of the last things I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up this Beyond Bronze, and I'm gonna use it on the root of my lashes and into the root of the upper lashes. So the lower lash line and on the top. I'm looking up, I'm going to dot it around my lower lash line and on the top. Diffuse it into the first rose color. You know what I'm gonna do just to give a little more intensity is throw a little bit into this crease right here. And that's pretty much it for now, but we're not finished. So hang on. Now for some mascara, and this will really, really pull the look together on the eye. I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara from the root. I'm just gonna kind of wiggle it up and through, and up and through. And the way that this mascara wand is shaped like an hourglass, it sort of grabs the outer and the inner edges. And now I'm gonna go looking slightly downward and rolling it up and out so that I can capture. And then I'm looking to see about these outer lash roots, and I'm using the tip of the wand and then dragging it through. So that's with one side and without. If you get mascara on your eyelid or on your under eye or anywhere else, resist the urge to wipe it away. And the reason I say that is because it simply will dry down and then you can flick it off with just about anything. Now on the lower lash line, I'm actually gonna use the tip of the wand and I'm going to run them through just on the top. Now I'm gonna go in and apply my lip. First thing I'm gonna do is apply the Pat McGrath Labs Matte Trance Lipstick Divine Rose Collection in Soft Core all over my lips. And then, it feels so smooth. I don't know what went into this, but like heaven or something, or clouds. Now, just to make sure I don't get any excess bleeding outside my lip line, I'm gonna go ahead and take a matching pencil, Pat McGrath Labs Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in the color Suburbia. It's going over the lip color that I have. It's blending some of the lipstick, but it's also softly giving a bit of an edge. The last thing that I would probably do now is definitely get some highlight on, because I know my friends and they like a little highlight. Here we have Bobbi Brown's Highlighting Powder Mini. The color is called Pink Glow, and it is just this beautiful pearlescent. I actually have one of these in a like larger size too. It comes in 2 sizes. So I'm going to take a little highlighter brush. This is the Sephora Pro number 79. So I'm going in and I am just gonna, like, I'm already glowing, but I want more. Oh, look, do you see that? Oh, that's so pretty. More. Do you see how I pulled it all the way from almost the apple of my cheek back towards here? I think it just kind of lifts and pops and brightness, and it just makes me feel a little bit more alive. A little on the tip of my nose. I'm going to take that same brush. I'm going to use my little rag to wipe off the other colors that were on there. I'm gonna go in, if you can see, this is actually a marble. And when you have something marbled like this, you can choose which colors you want to use. I'm going to take the more opal white color that's right there. I'm going to pop a little bit on the inner corner of my eye to even increase that inner corner highlight, and a little bit looking up. A little bit. And then last but not least, let's give a little highlight on the brow bone. A little pop of highlight right here. Everybody, this is an awesome, awesome kit. It's a Sephora Favorites kit. It is the Galentine's Day Mini Sephora Favorites Kit set. Not only do you get to try out all sorts of different fragrances, but you actually get 2 bonus items. There's actually an Armani Beauty lippy in here, and there's also a Nest candle. My favorite, just for the heck of it, is the Atelier Vanille Insensé. I'm just gonna spray a little on my pulse point. Oh, so good. This is the one I'm trading. Happy Galentine's Day from me to you. I love this look and I would love for you to wear it too. So go down and look into the comments below and it will tell you exactly what I use so you can wear it too. Also want to say I hope you have a healthy, happy, safe Galentine's Day. Share it with your loved ones. I can't wait to see you next time, and thanks for being here with me today.